Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to recover deleted TikTok messages. So let's get right into it. Head over to your TikTok application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired TikTok account from which you want to just recover your TikTok messages. Then head over to your profile and then go to the three lines icon on the upper right corner. Once you're there, a layout will be arrived. In front of you, there will be three options. We need to head over to settings and privacy. Once you're there, just go to the account option. And here, go to download your data. And then slide to download data. And here, click on request data. As you can see, there is a option they are giving you to select. The first one is select data to download. If you want to just download all data, just select the first one. And if you want to select the file format, you can do that too. Here you can see the downloading data can be of different types. Your file can include things like your account info and settings, other posts on TikTok or other TikTok apps, your activity, likes, comments, favorites, and watch history, and your direct messages. As we want our deleted TikTok messages or our deleted DM'd messages, so we will get from these and then select the format to JSON and then click on done. And from all data to go to custom and just check mark on the messages option and then click on done and then request data and again request data. And currently your data is being processed. Once it is done, you will get a file to download in here. As you can see, my one has just arrived and I need to click on download, and then I will be able to see all my direct messages history in here. And yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.